Use Retriever for free with your own DeepSeek API key. So just come to the settings panel and you can add a new provider for DeepSeek and just paste in your own API key. It's only stored inside your browser extension locally in your own device. And now all the Retriever actions you do can go through this API key. We're uniquely the only browser agent that is text only and so can leverage DeepSeek's text only model that gives the highest performance of any frontier model. So you can just be like, hey, go apply to all of these jobs in parallel with my resume. And so we even handle parsing out files, resumes, attaching them onto the web page itself, as well as like representing it to DeepSeek in a text-only format. So with this we're compared to other browser agents that take screenshots that have to rely on vision. Ours just constructs accessibility trees to represent the web page, so it's fully text-only. And we get DeepSeek to write code to fully leverage this text or based representation we give it, so that DeepSeek can take actions on parallel tabs, can just pass in arguments to like upload a file, for example, or to go open 5 parallel tabs with each of these job applications and process them with sub agents in parallel. And DeepSeek would be used throughout the whole process. So just finish writing the code. It got the links of all the different job applications and it's writing them in parallel and tracking them in this Google Sheet for the status. So it's already kicked off and is applying to the first one. And the best part of our browser agent is we take actions on the tabs in the background. So they can open multiple in parallel and take actions on all of them seamlessly in the background without you, so to distribute your task. So all the job applications are done and it wrote the code, it did all the executions, and it costed 0 credits. And this is all using your own DeepSeek API key. And this is just limiting, just an example of a use case you can do with this kind of browser agent that can parallelize tasks in your browser. It could be like, hey, upload my leads to a CRM or do other actions. So you can even add MCP servers, define your own like tools that get executed, like, hey, set up a webhook to uh, connect to Airtable, for example. So you can connect your own MCP servers and all of this, and the agent will write code to put this all together and execute it with your web context of your daily tasks.